We're here at Collegetown Court to take a look at studio apartment 510. Let's head on in. As we enter the apartment, you can see that we have our kitchen over here on the right side. We've got the refrigerator, there's the microwave, and we've got cabinets and drawers. There's a sink and a sprayer, and there's a stove and oven. That's the same kitchen setup that we have in all the units here in the building. Across the kitchen is the closet. I like this closet in the number 10 style as well as the number 2 style. Those are mirror image apartments because it's got a little more hanging space than we do in our other closets here in the building. So this apartment has the largest closet space. That's number 10 and number 2. And as we go into the apartment, there's the main part of the apartment, but let's take a look in the bathroom first and then we'll see the view. So this apartment I also like because it has the largest of the bathrooms for the studios. So we've got, there you go, you can see the tub shower, the vanity, it's got that long counter above it. There's a cabinet on the wall, toilet. So largest bathroom, largest closet. And you can see the furnishings will always be, there's the table over here with a chair. There's the bookshelf, the full-size bed, desk and chair, and a dresser. And you can see the way they set it up here, there's definitely a lot of floor space. And you can move the furniture around however you like within the apartment. We're facing to the west, and again, we're on the top floor of the building. This apartment is available on floors 3, 4, and 5. We're on 5. The advantage of being on 5 is you are the farthest up. And here in Central Collegetown, that's gonna get you a little nice piece of view over here. That's to the south with beautiful valley views. It's gorgeous sky. So that's nice to be able to have to see out your window, and not just buildings. You get buildings too because we are in the busy Collegetown area. Collegetown Court is located in Central Collegetown at 208 Dryden Road. This is a 5-floor elevator building. Again, we're on the top floor. We're just steps up from that main intersection of College Ave and Dryden Road. And here at Collegetown Court, we are just 1 block from campus.